In our last video, we talked about dampness, that sticky internal sludge that contributes to pain, heaviness, and fatigue. But where does this sludge actually come from? And what body part is the master key to clearing it out? Hi, I'm Dr. Madison Park, licensed acupuncturist at Rehab and Revive. Today, we're revealing the spleen's secret role in your chronic pain. In TCM, this organ system is your metabolic engine, and keeping it healthy is the most crucial step to clearing out that dampness for good. But first, take just a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're ready to learn how to heal smarter, please consider hitting the thanks button to donate. The spleen in TCM, your metabolic engine. When we talk about the spleen in Chinese medicine, we aren't just talking about the small physical organ. We're talking about a vast, powerful organ system that leads your entire metabolic pathway. The spleen breaks down the food you consume into usable energy needed to complete all bodily functions. When your spleen energy is weak, the kitchen oven goes out. What happens next? First, poor transformation. Your food doesn't get fully processed. Second, poor transportation. Poorly processed food byproducts become sticky and turbid. Finally, symptoms manifest. This all occurs because of dampness, the heavy turbid substance that has a tendency to sink downwards and take up space. Most of the time, the dwelling places it prefers are already compromised by injury and inflammation. When these spaces are then overwhelmed by dampness, it may manifest as stubborn joint pain, muscle stiffness, swelling, and that heavy lead-like fatigue. For this type of pain, a weak spleen means your pain is getting fed directly by what you eat. 3 ways to fortify your spleen. The good news is you can reinforce your spleen starting today. The spleen loves warmth, gentleness, and routine. Embrace warmth and avoid the cold. The spleen hates cold. Swap cold drinks for warm water or tea and reduce raw salads, especially in colder months. Boiling and steaming your vegetables makes them much easier for the spleen to process. Choose golden foods. The spleen is associated with the earth element and the color yellow. Focus your diet on foods like squash, sweet potato, carrots, yellow lentils, and oats. These are naturally grounding, nourishing, and gentle on the digestive system. Reduce your stress. The spleen functions best in a low-stress environment. Incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine allows the spleen to function without worry. One personal favorite, a cup of ginger lemon tea and a good book as a nightly ritual to both calm the mind and support the spleen. By making these simple shifts, you are strengthening your metabolic system, preventing damp accumulation, and eliminating one of the primary sources of chronic pain. Your chronic pain isn't just a local issue. It's often a sign of a deeper imbalance in systems like the spleen. Start feeding your spleen well, and you'll begin to feel lighter and less achy. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. I'm Dr. Madison Park, licensed acupuncturist. Remember, we heal smarter.